Hi everyone, good morning. Today I would like to share a few words and idioms with their meanings and example sentences. Let's begin. The first one is persistence. Persistence means continuing working despite difficulties. Example, her persistent effort paid off and she cleared her CA examination. Another example, one of my friends struggled to buy an apartment in Mumbai. With her persistent effort, she finally managed to buy it. Next one is accumulate, means to gather or build up gradually. Example, before speaking, we should accumulate our thoughts in an organized way. Another example, she accumulated her thoughts before delivering the speech in the school assembly. Third one is patience. Patience means the ability to remain calm and keep working even when results are slow. Example, you can achieve wonders in your life with patience and strong determination. Another example, patience is the key to success. Let's move on to the idioms. The first one is Rome was not built in a day, which means great things take time and can't be rushed. Example, when I was talking to my father about English fluency journey, he told me keep going on with proper guidance and eventually you will gain fluency because Rome was not built in a day. The second idiom is keep your nose to the grindstone. Keep your nose to the grindstone, which means to work hard continuously. Example, to gain fluency and accuracy, I kept my nose to the grindstone and finally achieved it. The third idiom is hard work pays off, means efforts and dedication will eventually bring results. Example, a week ago, my elder brother went for an interview and got selected. It wasn't easy, he worked hard, and now his hard work has paid off. I hope you understood all the words and idioms well. Try to use all the words and idioms in your own sentences and share with me. I will surely check and send it back. And if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Humming Space.